Hello students, hope you enjoying our learning process. Come on, let's start with the second chapter, Nature. Listen, sing and act. Come on, let's start. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. So, come on, repeat again. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. So, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. So students, thank you for your attention. Please do like and subscribe my channel.